信他们就好了。
空手，我打直影呢條路。
This is an old bridge here. So when the Americans came here, they built a base all around Iceland. So they had to build a big, heavy bridges, so they could take their heavy tanks and all the stuff. So they built these bridges here all around Iceland. We still use them, so they're coming to be very, very old. Like this one is just one car at a time. There's a sign which is behind us. It's just allowed to one car to drive over this bridge at a time.
So now we're in North America.
Yes, now we are. So this is how this is divided between tectonic plates. Now we are just in another soil, because this belongs to North America. It's the same tectonic, same crunch, the same soil.
Okay. So I realized why I could never get the bathroom light to come on, and that's because I kept forgetting that you have to put your room key into this little thing, and that allows you to turn the lights on. And that's a real energy saver. So when you leave the room, you can take the card out. It's got these cool, I feel like this is an IKEA, right? Like I'm in an IKEA right now. Like look at that cool light fixture. That is so awesome. And then these super cool. I feel like this is a pretty new. All right, so here's my view. I can't. How do you? We're in a very volcanic. Okay, cool. Thanks. We're in a very volcanic area right now, so there's a lot of volcanic rocks up there. I think there's some in the distance too, but just a big hill. It's very pretty, but I'm glad there's snow everywhere. Otherwise, it would be kind of dull. So, beds. Chair, really nice chair. Desk area. Television, which the TV channels are just the worst. They're really awful. And then this, there's bath towels. Yes! I totally need a bath towel tonight. Okay. Then this cool, super awesome bench area. The floor feels pretty warm. I'm assuming in this area it's geothermal heating all the way. Let's see. Oh yeah, the bathroom is so warm. So here's the heated towel rack. The shower. Every single shower has been like this with the two. And then this controls the temperature, and this controls turning it on and off. So get your temperature adjusted first and then turn it on. And every place also has these squeeze bottles. Every single place has squeeze bottles instead of... This place does have individual, they have a sewing kit. I think there's like a shower cap. So this is nice. This is the Fosshotel. I really like them a lot. Okay. My stuff hanging up, trying to dry. funny thing about the nature baths, they were about, I don't know, 80 degrees in the water. But then when I got out, my towel was frozen. So, because it was about -2 out, which was pretty funny. So, note to self, make sure your towel is completely dry before you get in the bath. Somehow, I don't know. But you have to shower before you go in. They're very strict about that. This is my last night on the tour. Tomorrow I fly from Hverir to Reykjavik. And I'm kind of sad because I love this tour. It's so much fun. And then I'll spend the day in Reykjavik. And then I fly home the next day and my trip is over, you guys. I'm so sad. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll have one more room tour from Reykjavik tomorrow. And then that's it. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.